It's time for a message from the future. It's time to dance with the Cdragon game store and this Wii clone shizzle, whatever. Stay tuned. I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a message from the future. So, in today's video we are going to talk about the Cdragon game store. Because this guy is selling a lot of weird stuff. Yeah. So in today's video we are going to talk about this Cassidy G80 home console with HD. So this is what we call the Nintendo Wii ripoff. Oh yeah, they're ripping off the Nintendo Wii. So look how happy they are. Yeah. So I was scrolling a little bit down. I'm thinking this thing is running on Android, but I noticed some things. This childhood classic game, so I'm thinking it can run some NES games. So we have the movement controllers. Look at their happy faces. Oh, they are so happy. Woo. What are they doing? Really no clue, but let's scroll. G80 Smarter. What's that supposed to mean? Smart camera. So this one, wait a sec. This is more like a combination of the PlayStation Move, because the Wii was using a little sensor bar, but the PlayStation 4 was actually using a real camera. So as you can see here, it tracks the body movement. So that is... Ooh, we can do some Fruit Ninja. I must say, I wanted to try that one. Ooh, I'm getting excited now. So, I must say, a gyroscope in this thing. So yeah, works with Ali Cloud TV box. Alright. So it seems to be that it's running on Android, so that's to be sure about, but it's got a lot of Android games, a lot of Wii clone games, and a lot of retro games, so that is really awesome. So there is a lot of information on the system, and it's hoping that it's in English, because all this is, I think, is Chinese text, so... But there is no console. It looks like it's just the camera of the sensor bar is the console. So that is really funny. You can upgrade it with an, as you can see here, we can upgrade it with an SD card and other stuff like USB and a storage hard disk. So yeah, looks promising. Must say, here we have it. Here you can see it. Power button, USB connection, even the Ethernet ports in here. So I must say, I really love design. So we have a more like a camera-based system. Let's go up. The only downside is the price. So, do I want to test it out for you? Yes, I want. Because I wanted to show all of these knockoff consoles. But I am not going to pay 121 euro for this freaking thing. No, let's be honest, a Wii doesn't... Wait, let's put it this way, a Wii is very cheap nowadays. And yeah, this is something new. It's more like a combination of a Wii with, let's say, an Android box. Really cool. But for the money... Nah. So yeah, let me know what do you think of this. I really love to know. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe and hit the little bell. See you next time. I wanna dance. Oh yeah.